So we've checked out of the hotel. For those that joined us with the previous vlog, we've already checked in last night using Twilight check-in, so we're just walking across now and we'll be straight to security. It's literally 2 minutes from the hotel, from the Holiday Inn, across the road into the terminal. This morning at Virgin looks quite big. Obviously separate check-ins for the upper class one, so it won't be too bad, but there is quite a little queue, so we're going to go straight into departures. Watch out, Joshie. It's 7:33 and we're going to head through security, so we'll let you know how long it takes us to get through on the other side. We'll see you soon. So it's literally took us between 5 and 7 minutes from the point of stop recording to get out of security on the other end. Do you know, it was really, really good today. They didn't even empty the suitcases. Liquids, electrics all had to stop in the gate. The aeroplanes, yeah, can you see the aeroplanes over there? Wow, they're big, aren't they? I don't think any of those are ours yet though. Are they? So the longest bit was Joshie getting searched because he wasn't big enough for the scanners. Just going to have a quick wander around here. We've promised them a couple of bits and pieces for the aeroplane. So we'll show you what we can find. Should we go and find Daddy over here? He's waiting. He's looking for us, he's not seen us. His toys are over here.
They've made it to the shop.
Might have a look at some perfume. Always a good place to have a quick look. You want a drink? We're going to go and get a drink now. There'll be some water, yeah.
Are you in this lounge?
Right, so
Big table. I'll have a walk. Tomatoes, hash browns, eggs, bacon, coffees, sausage rolls. There's the planes.
新加坡航空公司前往新加坡的 A350-1000班最后一班，所有剩余的乘客，请马上到第一辆登机口。
How excited are you?
Really?
You look excited, Josh?
Want to play?
Now, do you want a magazine to read? No.
So our starters have arrived. We've got tomato soup to start with. Looks good. Right, so our main has arrived. It is haddock with potatoes and a mushy pea puree. Looks lovely. So last course we have got the summer fruit pudding, I think it was called. Very interesting shape. Let's see what it's like.
and
Please stand clear of the doors
after
and
we
hold on
checked
to the
in our
handrails.
room,
The gate
going
link
to
will be
Epcot.
departing momentarily for the main terminal. You will be arriving on the 3rd level of the main terminal building. Baggage
Hey,
claim
Josh, are you
is on level
excited?
2.
Hello, this is Orlando Mayor Buddy Dyer. If you're a resident, welcome home. If you're one of our nearly 70 million visitors, welcome to the City Beautiful. Here, imagination becomes reality in our theme parks and attractions. Authentic experiences are found in our art scenes, events, and small businesses. In Orlando, there's something to like. Enjoy your visit. Everything that makes Orlando unforgettable.
There's the plane. Bye bye.
Say bye to the plane.
Please hold on to the handrails. The gate link is approaching the main terminal building. When the gate link stops, please exit and follow the signs to baggage claim.
Hey, what do you say? This whole town could be red by the end of the day. If you feel alright, we could throw it and drive. With the radio up so loud they can hear us from miles. Me and you, nothing to do. These days they come and go. Me and you, nothing to lose. I feel it in my soul. So let's let the good times roll.
So a little bit of an update where we've got to. Landed in Orlando pretty much straight off. We used the MCP app, which was really straightforward. Was through passport control in minutes, which was great. Cases pretty much straight off. Then we jumped on the tram. You've seen the little video of the tram. We jumped on there into the main terminal, and then we got an Uber over to Saratoga Springs. We've just been given our room number, so we're having a little wander over. The flight was quite bumpy. We had a lot of turbulence on the flight, so we've kind of spent a lot of time with seatbelts on, but it was still a good flight. The crew were amazing with these two. They've literally gone out their way to find them something to eat. So yeah, it's really good flight, really comfy. The new aircraft was brilliant. Good to experience that. So yeah, we're just wandering over. Can't remember what room we're in now. I think we're in the, let me have a look. Just got the map. We're in the paddock section at Saratoga Springs, so we'll have a proper walk around here at some point. But we're just wandering over to the room now, and we'll let Jack do a quick room tour when we arrive, show you around quickly, and I think we're going to head out to Epcot just for an hour, just to try and keep us going to a reasonable time before we head to bed. These two are starting to lag a little bit, but we'll get there. Are we ready?
Did you just hear me or are you deaf?
In you go.
It's nice.
Let's get Daddy in first. Get the doors!
Oh my.
Oh wow, that's nice.
Oh wow.
How nice is that?
Oh wow.
What have you done?
Kitty monkeys.
You alright?
Is that a spinning
Oh, there we go. Welcome, Colbert family.
Oh yeah.
And look at this, we've got this.
What can we see outside? Not much.
Got a nice second though.
What a nice room.
Yeah.
What a gorgeous room.
Look, we've got Mickey Mouse time.
Let's have a look.
How do we get out today?
A Mickey Mouse tab, wow.
Let's see what he comes.
First impressions? Really nice. Wow. Bathroom. Looks nice. Little sinks. Cupboard space, wardrobe space. Oh, little kitchenette. Missed that when I walked in. Kitchenette, that's nice, isn't it?